Emma, and I am the Digital Marketing Coordinator at York Wall Coverings. And I'm really excited to show you what I'm working on today. I'm going to be installing one of our new premium peel and stick wall coverings in my bedroom on the wall behind me. And I'm gonna maybe have a little helper with me. This is my daughter, Sydney. And I'm really excited to show you how it turns out. I've never installed this product before, so we'll just take it one step at a time. As far as prep work goes, the only thing I'm planning to do is clean, get rid of some dog hair on the floor, and just make sure my walls are clean. And then I can start cutting strips, and you'll see that install on the wall behind me as a feature wall. So stay tuned, and we'll show you how it goes. I got my tools ready, so I'll show you those. You don't need much, and a lot of these things you'll probably have in your home. They're pretty typical tools, and I'm gonna get ready to hang my first strip. I am so happy with how the installation went of this premium peel and stick wallpaper, and I really can't wait to use it again. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll check it out for yourself.